Hello MIDI learners, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to see the answers of the video questions with question words. Let's start. So in this exercise I ask you to write questions to these answers. So let's see. First answer was no. I don't work anymore. So we can write this question. Do you work? Look at the auxiliary verb. We start the question with this auxiliary verb. Then we write the subject and then the verb. Next. He is 20 years old. So the question is going to be about the age. So, how old are you? Here the question is how old, then the verb to be are, and then the subject you. 3. 20 to 1, here we are asking about time. So, what time? Then the verb to be is, and then the pronoun it. What time is it? 4. It is in front of the bank. So the normal question is, where is the bus station, for example? So first we write the question where, then the verb to be is the same as in the answer, the verb to be, and then what we are asking for, the bus station, for example. 5. St. George Street, number 18. This is a location. So for example, we can ask, where's your house? Again, we write the question where, then the verb to be is, and then your house. This is a short form, but we can say where is your house. 6. I'm okay. How about you? So we are asking about how is someone. So first the question how, then the verb to be are, and then the pronoun you. 7. The chicken and the potatoes are in the oven. So for example, we can ask, where's the food? Again, where, the question, then the verb to be is, and then the food. What we are asking for. 8. Maria. So we can ask, for example, what's your name? First, we have the question what, then the verb to be is, and then your name. 9. No, comma, they are dentists. So for example, we can ask, are they nurses? If, for example, we want to know their profession. First, verb to be, then subject, and then profession. 10. From Spain. Here we are asking about nationality. So we can ask, where are you from? First, where, then the verb to be, then the subject, and then the preposition from. Exercise 2. Complete with the question words. First one. What are you doing now? If we have the verb to do, then the normal thing is to ask about what. Next. When does he start work? If we have the verb to start, then the normal thing is to ask about when. 3. When do they leave for work? Again, leave has a meaning of time, so we are going to use when. Where do you study at your house? Here, we could use some other question words, but the best one would be where do you study at your house? Because if we say at your house, then the better answer will be a place of your house. 5. How do you feel today? If we say to feel, then the best thing is to use how. 6. Who is that person over there? If we use person, then we have to use who. 7. Here we can use what, when, or where do you normally have lunch? What if we are asking about the menu? When if we are asking about the time? And where if we are asking about the place? How much does this computer cost? When we are asking about the price. When does she start her English lessons? We are asking about time. And 10, why are you sad today? Here I'm asking about your feelings. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.